Well, it's your man Pat Caesar, Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm over here right now at my parents' house. My dad's got this 12 Challenger SRT8 that he's having problems with. I'm about to go and dig into this thing now. I love these cars, even though I'm not an American car liking really type of person. But I just wanted to do something simple for you guys real quick because I'm getting ready to change these coils and spark plugs. I wanted to let you know how the firing order went in this car. Confusion from what I kept seeing. I was trying to figure out which one I actually needed to change. We're going to change all of them. But for you guys who do want to know, what is the firing order of a Dodge Hemi 392 VVT motor in an SRT8? Cylinder 1 is on the driver front. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 being the one on the passenger side rear. Bank 2. Bank 1 is on the driver's side. Bank 2 is on the passenger side. So again, it has the same configuration as a small block Chevrolet, with cylinder number 1 being on the driver front side. I hope that helps somebody. Peace. Thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. More content to come.